Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. Is your front door shutting the door on your financial success? Believe it or not, the key to unlocking a future filled with wealth might just be the way you walk into your home. Today, we're flipping the script on your entryway's role in your financial destiny. Welcome to Mystica Finance, your guide to merging ancient wisdom with contemporary wealth strategies. In today's journey, Feng Shui Doorway to Fortune, we're unlocking the secret to making your entrance a magnet for wealth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to embark on more wealth-transforming adventures with us. Have you ever considered the impact of your home's entrance on your prosperity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In the realm of Feng Shui, the entrance of your home isn't just a threshold. It's a powerful conduit for qi, or life force energy, setting the stage for abundance and financial well-being. A well-arranged entrance can attract positive energy, while a neglected one might be repelling wealth without you even knowing it. Let's dive deep into how this critical space influences your financial flow, and how you can harness its full potential to open the floodgates to prosperity. In the practice of Feng Shui, your home's entrance is more than just a doorway. It's the mouth of qi, where energy enters and begins its journey throughout your space. To ensure this energy is positive and wealth-attracting, there are several key principles to consider. First, clarity and organization are paramount. A cluttered entrance can block the flow of qi, acting as a barrier to both energy and opportunities. Start by decluttering, ensuring that the path into your home is clear and inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. A well-lit entrance, preferably with natural light, welcomes positive energy and creates an inviting atmosphere for both inhabitants and visitors. If natural light is limited, consider installing warm, welcoming lights to mimic its effect. Color is another powerful tool in Feng Shui, with each hue attracting different types of energy. For an entrance, warm colors like red, which represents good fortune and joy, can invite wealth. However, it's important to balance this with the rest of your home's aesthetic and energy needs. Finally, the door itself holds significant weight in Feng Shui. A sturdy, solid door painted in auspicious colors can serve as a strong guardian of your home, protecting against negative energy while inviting prosperity. Ensure that your door is always in good repair, as a well-cared-for entrance symbolizes respect for both the home and the wealth it seeks to attract. By applying these Feng Shui basics to your entrance, you're not just enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home, you're actively inviting prosperity, abundance, and positive energy into your life. In Feng Shui, the strategic placement of certain elements can significantly enhance the energy flow and consequently the wealth attraction of your entrance. Let's explore how to position plants, mirrors, and water features to maximize prosperity. Plants symbolize growth and vitality, making them perfect for attracting wealth. Placing a lush green plant near your entrance not only purifies the air, but also signifies the blooming of new opportunities. Choose plants like the jade plant or lucky bamboo, which are specifically known for bringing good fortune. Mirrors are powerful Feng Shui tools that can double the positive energy entering your home. However, their placement is key. A mirror should be positioned to reflect something beautiful and abundant from the outside, such as a garden or a pleasant view, thereby multiplying the positive energy. But remember, never place a mirror directly opposite the door, as this can push the incoming qi right back out. Water features like fountains or aquariums represent wealth and fluidity in Feng Shui. Placing a water feature near your entrance can attract prosperity by simulating the flow of money into your home. Ensure the water flows towards the interior of your home, symbolizing wealth pouring in, not away from it. Empowering your home's entrance with Feng Shui doesn't require a complete overhaul or the expertise of a consultant. Here are some DIY Feng Shui tips that anyone can implement to boost the wealth attraction of their entrance. Dr. Mat. Your doormat not only welcomes guests, but also invites positive qi into your home. Choose a mat with auspicious symbols or in colors that represent wealth, like red or purple, to foster abundance right from the doorstep. Nameplate visibility. Ensure your house number or nameplate is clearly visible. This symbolizes clarity and openness to receiving opportunities and wealth. Fix squeaks. A squeaking door can be seen as complaining energy. Lubricate your door hinges to ensure a smooth, welcoming entrance for both guests and positive energy. Use of symbols. Place symbols of wealth near the entrance. This could be anything from a bowl filled with coins to artwork depicting abundance. These symbols act as reminders of your intentions to attract wealth. Refresh your entrance with paint. Give your front door a fresh coat of paint. Choose colors that are traditionally auspicious in Feng Shui, like red for luck and prosperity, black for career opportunities, or green for growth and health. Seasonal adjustments. The energy of your entrance can and should change with the seasons to reflect the shifting energies of nature. Here's how to make seasonal Feng Shui adjustments to keep the entrance aligned with the cyclical flow of qi. Spring. This season is all about growth and renewal. Add fresh flowers or a new green plant to your entrance. Spring cleaning is also vital. Clear out any old or unused items to make way for new energy and opportunities. Summer. Emphasize brightness and warmth. Consider adding brighter colors or changing your doormat to something more vibrant. Summer is also a great time to ensure your entrance is well lit in the evenings, extending the energy of the sun into your home. Autumn. Reflect the season of harvest by adding earthy tones and elements that symbolize gathering and gratitude. Small pumpkins or a wreath with autumn leaves can invite the energy of abundance and thanksgiving to your doorstep. Winter. The quiet and introspection of winter can be balanced by ensuring your entrance remains inviting and warm. Use soft lighting or candles to welcome energy into your home during the shorter days. A clean and clear path to your door is crucial, especially in snowy or rainy conditions, symbolizing an unobstructed path for wealth to enter your home. Adjusting your entrance according to the seasons not only keeps the energy fresh, but also aligns your home with the natural world, enhancing the flow of prosperity and abundance year-round. The Mystica Challenge. Welcome to the Mystica Challenge, an invitation to step into the world of Feng Shui and transform your entrance into a beacon of wealth and positivity. This challenge is about more than just aesthetics. It's about enhancing the flow of energy into your home and, by extension, your life. Here's your step-by-step guide to embarking on this transformative journey. 1. Choose your Feng Shui enhancements. Reflect on the tips shared in the video, whether it's decluttering your entrance to welcome new opportunities, introducing a vibrant green plant to symbolize growth and prosperity, adjusting the lighting to brighten up the path for positive energy, or incorporating a water feature to represent wealth flowing into your home. Select one or more enhancements that resonate with you and your space. 2. Plan the implementation. Consider the best time and approach for integrating these changes. It doesn't have to be complex. Even the simplest adjustments can significantly alter the energy of a space. Sketch a quick plan or list the steps needed to make these enhancements a reality over the next week. 3. Document the journey. As you embark on this challenge, keep a record of the process. Take before photos of your entrance as it currently is. These will serve as a powerful visual reference to appreciate the transformation. As you implement the changes, consider taking during photos or jotting down notes on your observations, feelings, and any challenges you encounter. Finally, capture after photos to showcase your Feng Shui enhanced entrance. 4. Reflect on the experience. Once you've made the changes, spend a few days observing any differences in the feel of your entrance and, if possible, your life. Do you notice a shift in the energy? Does the entrance feel more welcoming, vibrant, or prosperous? Reflect on how the process of making these changes felt for you. Were there any unexpected revelations or moments of insight? 5. Share your journey. We're not just about individual transformation, but about inspiring and uplifting our entire community. Share your Mystica Challenge journey in the comments below. How did it feel to make these changes? Did you encounter any signs of new opportunities? Or have you observed any manifestations of abundance since making the adjustments? Your insights and experiences are invaluable. By sharing your journey, you not only affirm your own efforts, but also inspire countless others in our community to consider their own spaces and potential for transformation. Feng Shui is a practice that grows with shared stories and successes. And your story could be the key that unlocks someone else's potential for abundance and well-being. Embark on the Mystica Challenge today, and let's transform our spaces and lives together, one entrance at a time. Feng Shui myths versus facts. In navigating the world of Feng Shui, it's easy to encounter misconceptions. Let's dispel 5 common myths and uncover the facts, deepening our understanding and practice. Myth: Feng Shui is all about superstition and magic. Fact: Feng Shui is an ancient art and science developed over 3,000 years ago in China. It's based on the logical understanding of energy patterns and how they interact with space and time. Myth: Your wealth corner is the only area that matters for financial prosperity. Fact: While the wealth area is significant, true Feng Shui harmony involves balancing energy throughout your entire space. Every section has its importance and contributes to overall well-being, including financial prosperity. Myth: Mirrors in the bedroom can bring wealth. Fact: Mirrors reflect and amplify energy, but when placed in the bedroom, they can disturb restful sleep. Sleep is crucial for health and decision-making, indirectly affecting financial prosperity. Proper placement is key. Myth: Feng Shui instantaneously brings wealth and success. Fact: Feng Shui improves the flow and quality of energy in a space, which can create a more supportive environment for achieving goals. However, effort, intention, and time are also necessary components for success. Myth: Plants in the wealth corner guarantee financial growth. Fact: Plants symbolize growth and can positively affect the energy of a space. However, their presence alone doesn't guarantee financial success. The intention behind their placement and the overall harmony of your space are equally important. Understanding these facts helps us approach Feng Shui with a balanced perspective, recognizing it as a tool to enhance our environments and live thoughtfully and intentionally. As we wrap up today's guide on transforming your entrance with Feng Shui, remember that your doorway is just the beginning of a journey towards balance, harmony, and prosperity. We've armed you with the tools and knowledge to invite wealth into your life. Now it's your turn to put these into practice. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, insights, or any questions you might have in the comments below. Your engagement enriches our community, sparking inspiration and sharing valuable lessons learned along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. This ensures you won't miss out on more tips, challenges, and insights to transform your life and finances with Mystica Finance. Share this video with friends or family who might benefit from a Feng Shui transformation in their lives. Together, let's create spaces that not only look good, but also feel good and invite endless prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep the chi flowing and your wealth growing.